Hi guys, in the past I got questions about how to interface my homemade environment sensors with an external temperature probe. This is an type K thermocoupler probe. So this module is based on analog device 8495. It converts voltages from the thermocouple and then amplify that and generate a readable voltage for any MCU. In this case, I use my homemade environment sensors to read it up, and I have a small demo to show how it works. The temperature reading is not calibrated, but it's pretty close as is. So I have a hot water, so they are about 45 degrees depending on how you point the laser to. I hope you can see that. And I also have an ice cube. So let's see how this thing reads the temperature. First, I'm gonna use the hot water, dip it on that. As you can see, the temperature on the right hand side in Celsius start increase. Yeah, so you can see that. Yeah, pretty close. So the next thing that we will do, we're gonna put it in the ice cube glass. Okay, let's go and see the temperature. We expect to go down to about 0 degree for ice, obviously. It's gonna be off by a few degree here and there. Oops. Yep. So there you go. I mean, one thing that I also did on this particular board, it's kind of like something a little bit new, because of the environment sensor has a battery backup right now, so I can just move it around and have it running on a battery for a while. And I hook it up into a QI charging pad that I get from eBay, and this gives me a freedom so that I can bring the probe around and then measure something, and then when I'm done with it, I can go back and have this charge into a pad. Okay, you see it start blinking, the charger, and the battery is start getting charged. Well, I want to show you this as well, because I mean, this is probably not a common use case for it, but the capability of having the sensors running on battery as well on DC open up other scenario where you could probably use the wireless charging. For example, if you want to put your environment sensors behind a glass in an aquarium or something like that, so you don't have to run wires inside into your aquarium, or you have a door where you close the door most of the time. At that time, the sensor is getting charged, but then when you open the door, the sensor are still working, doing something on battery. That type of scenario is possible when you have a DC powered sensors with a battery backup. So that's another thing that's kind of interesting to explore. I'm just giving you an idea right now that it's possible to do. That's all for the demo today. Thank you.